back on the screen. I'm quite happy about this because we're going in a new technology age. If you guys haven't been seeing what's been going on with the ports, you guys been seeing that? Bro, okay. I get, just to dumb it down, people are mad because companies are going to start trying to bring in like more AI technology and robots to do some of the jobs that people would be doing, causing for workers to not be able to get some moolah. We got a special video today. This should be a very, very good one. The title is Game Breaking Rhythm Shooting with No Tempo in NBA 2K25. Okay. Now, I already been understood people would do this because look at this, people. OG has this. The Xbox PlayStation controller. And on the back, it has paddles, buttons. Now we know, watch this. We're going to skip over to here, and we're going to go straight to the point of where I watched at the video.
All right, stick, but once and use rhythm shooting. I'm going to show y'all the way how you can get away from using the right stick and use rhythm shooting. But if I...
Let me pause it right there. If the right stick is so OP and it's so lovely, and rhythm stick shooting is just naturally okay, everybody loves rhythm stick shooting, why would someone try to get away from it? Taking on to the psychology energy now. Why would someone try to get away from it? Trust me, people, I've shot a rhythm shot in the park, made it green. Okay, like, oh snap, okay. I've shot a rhythm shot. It's really just like, and yes, you don't have to just go straight up and down. It's a motion. I get it, but it's the comfortability. The devs understood on the psychology and making their game, constructing their game from ground up, that players, if they have to dribble with this stick and then stop and shoot, they understand that's more difficult and it's more of an uncomfortability. Like, you know what I mean? They understand that. So that's why they want to switch to get everybody to do rhythm shooting so it could be more skillful. Okay, if this guy's a great shooter, you know, more skillful, more realistic, like you're actually having to shoot because you're going down and up now to shoot. It's no more longer of just a singular press. And they're trying to take that away. But back to what I was saying with the port situation, this is where it correlates. As you can tell, bro's in the mapping system of Xbox. And now what I'm going to tell you guys, so I dumb it down, he's going to map his controls, right? So the right stick motion, like the right stick, he's going to map his controls to do that on the paddles, these buttons on the back. This is the new era of technology days we're in, people.
If I go to edit, right, you can see here on my right stick. But once I go to edit, if you see my controller, you can see my whole button layout, right? So for rhythm shooting, you can use the right stick to the left and move it to the right, or you can move it down, or you can move it up. You can move it in different directions for rhythm shooting. It doesn't have to just be up down. So I have two examples for you. I have my D-pads remapped. So my D-pad is down is right stick down, and my D-pad up is right stick up. For these paddles back here, I know some of y'all not gonna have them, but everybody's gonna have a D-pad, you feel me? So for the paddles, I have for my left paddle, I have right stick to the left, and I have for my right paddle, I have right stick to the right, right? So instead of having to time it, you can just click these buttons and use rhythm shooting. And I'm gonna show y'all right here. So I get here, I go into my court, right? Okay, you see me, I got the ball. So I'm in my court, y'all can see me right here. So
let me move myself so y'all can see it.
I pull my controller up, and first I'm gonna start off with the paddles, bro. So you gonna see my thumbs is out right here. You can see them. I'm not touching the thumbs, my controller. I flick on the paddles. I flick on the paddles, and it's a green tempo. You feel me? I gotta move back, of course. another green, another green, and then you don't have to worry about tempo, which is a big help. And for spot up shooters, this is a very legitimate.
One, if you're a spot up shooter, this is like an automatic zen for you, auto zen, because the tempo shooter, the bigger green window, right? They give a super crazy boost with this new stick shooting. So this is where I'm saying like a patch is gonna come or a change is gonna come with this now, because a lot of people have controllers like this, or just for Call of Duty, people have these controllers, scuff controllers, and you can map and change your buttons out. Like, this is the new times we're in. This is what I mean by people are going to utilize technology to the best of its ability now, rather than being in the moral state like, oh no, we all just going to play with it simple, or we all just not going to cheat. People are going to go to what they, and this is not cheating really. You're just mapping your buttons. But you see how it's a flaw, messed up now system in 2K, because 2K wants you to be doing this motion, down, up, or down to the right, or in the motion. They want you to be doing that rhythm shooting motion, not just clicking buttons. That's the same as clicking buttons now, and you get the bigger boost for something you're supposed to be doing with your thumb. But see, he could just dribble. Look, if I hold my control like this, I could be dribbling using my right stick, and then when I want to stop and shoot, click, 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 click. I don't even have to take my hands. That was the luxury in Call of Duty, why people loved it, because you don't have to take your hands off the analog sticks to press the A button to jump. That takes more time. See, it's the same reason why the devs wanted to make us just strictly to the right stick. Drop a like on this video, make this run. See, the devs, their plan has not worked. This is about to be the next new OP thing people are going to be doing. I feel like even dribblers, honestly, because when I'm feeling it, it feels comfortable for me to just put one, click the left side. That's for this left side, right? My left paddle will be down, the right analog stick going down. And then when I'm up to my rhythm point, set point, where however I have my settings on, I click the right side. That's super easy. Listen, the devs don't do nothing, and it gets to a point where everybody's doing this. I'm just gonna map my controller myself and do it my damn self and get the bigger boost. Shout out to him, man. Make sure y'all go to his channel, Almighty Den. Make sure y'all go tap in with the channel. This just came up on my feed, and to me, I'm happy to see this because it just tells me like, yo, 2K gonna have to revert back to their regular shit. Like, this is a deep like cut in their plan. Like, yeah, y'all see what I'm saying? Mike Wayne really was trying to finesse it. I'm sorry, Mike Wayne. I ain't gonna talk crazy at y'all or curse or really, but I gotta tell the truth. Your plan now is destroyed because people could just map it. Oh man, I was happy to see this today because they just need to revert back. Like, they're trying to think about it. He made it seem like, I swear in this trailer, I'm gonna find the video because yeah, that's how you gotta do it. I gotta go back and find his pieces. He made it on social media, then he talked about it in the first day report. He made it seem like rhythm shooting was just gonna have his special benefits, but a square shooter or X shooter could still be strong too. But no, it's not even like that. Like, trust. If somebody could do what he's doing right now, you will understand why it's OP. That 70% green window, all you have to do is just click the back, mapping it. You're just clicking buttons now, and you're still timing it, but think about it. You're like timing it twice. That's all. You're just timing it twice. That's it. So that's the only new difference you got to get used to. Just clicking two buttons, but it doesn't even feel bad to me when I'm looking at it. Like, you're gonna click this one, your player's gonna get in the shot form, and then you're gonna click this one, and then you're gonna release the ball. So pretty easy, bro. This is crazy.
Reliable way to shoot the ball because you don't have to worry about dribbling and all that. I know a lot of people who dribble the ball may find that difficult, but I'm here to tell you that, listen,
that's not difficult.
That's a green. You don't have to worry about tempo, so it's gonna be a lot easier for you to green your shots. Now,
tempo is gone. Tempo is when they're judging the tempo of your right stick, the tempo of how you moved it. You don't even have to worry about that. Your tempo is going to be excellent because you're clicking buttons for it now. So it's like, it's always going to be perfect. Y'all understand that? It's like always going to be perfect because you're clicking the buttons. It's like the tempo got pushed into a button from like, this is just smart. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is smart. This makes me happy because they're gonna scratch this shit now. Go back to their old ways and think of a new idea. You know, they're a rich company, like people say. They could think of something new. Think of something better.
Some of y'all might not have this controller, so y'all don't have these paddles. And I'm gonna tell you, I still use the right stick because I want to get better with the right stick, but the paddles are easier to use. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Right stick, man. Yeah, right, bro. Bro is on to this now. He's like, man, I'm on this now. This is what I'm doing now. Look, Xbox, PlayStation controller. You could just type this in on Amazon. The price for them now, $44. Wired controller. Just type in Xbox, PlayStation, wired controller. $44. You get these buttons on the back. You can map them. Very easy to click. In a great placement where your index fingers, which fingers this? No, it's your middle fingers. Your middle fingers will be the one triggering them. Very comfortable and easy because they're just lightly you guys can look. Boom, boom, boom. Not hard, not confusing, not like, oh, you'll get confused. Oh, let me click this one in. Not at all. You know what I mean? So, trust me, he gonna be on his wave. He just
now if I want to use the D-pad,
he just dropped this video. He said if you want to use the D-pad,
right? So the D-pad is right here. Let me put that in the controller. And you know, obviously it's a little bit more difficult for me to shoot, so be patient with me. Let me get warmed up. But that's a green off rip. Using the D-pad, right finger is not on the right stick. You know, listen, I'm not even holding my controller in a normal posture, and I'm greening right now. So this is to tell you how much easier it's gonna be. You don't have to worry about tempo. Got an excellent right there, and I'm just using the D-pad, bro. Now this is something you're gonna have to get used to, especially with the timing and whatnot there, because you see excellent. And using it with another hand, but as you get used to it, I feel like it is a lot easier. And if you want more control of your shot, you're gonna do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Like me personally, I use the right stick. I don't need to use any of those methods. You feel me? But cause like I've been practicing, so I'm cool with the right stick. I don't need to use the paddles. I don't need to use the D-pad. But if you want to remap your buttons, if you can on PlayStation, I know you can do it on PlayStation with certain controllers, and I know you can do it on Xbox with certain controllers. You're gonna be in better shape, especially as a spot-up shooter. I'm telling you the truth. Now, let's say you want to remap it to one of these main buttons right here and one of your back buttons. The only reason I didn't do that is because as a point guard, I need to pass the ball.
Now, he making it seem like he's just using the stick again, like he's like back to the stick. Because it's like when you know somebody's using this, it's basically like a damn Zen. Because the green window was made to be way bigger for you doing this motion, the down and up. Being able to just use the buttons, that makes that so much more easier. Who's not gonna grind that out? The buttons, using the buttons. That's too easy. When you play, you can still pass everything and still be able to use these two buttons once you get the ball and shoot. It's really like a Zen, honestly, because you're going to make most of the shots. He missed one. We seen him miss, but 9 times out of 10, you seen he locked back in and he was able to green. So it's like, yo, what? Are you serious? Imagine a spot up who just sits in the corner. Anytime you need a corner shot, they just get they lethals. They're knocking that down every time wide open. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section below, man. Hit that like, subscribe.